In this tutorial, you'll learn how to pipeline stages overview. Track where every lead stands in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have stages installed from the marketplace, then head over to your inbox by clicking Inbox in the left sidebar. You'll notice the Stages menu right here in the inbox sidebar. Click the icon to add a new stage and we'll create one called VIP Member with a fitting emoji to match. Now you can easily reorganize your pipeline stages by reordering them with just the press of a button. Once your stage is created, simply drag and drop any conversation from your inbox into the stage you want to assign it to. When you're happy with how everything looks, click on the Stages app in the main sidebar, or hit View Tabular Form in the inbox to open up the full Stages menu. From here, you can add new or existing contacts directly into any of your stages. Moving contacts between stages is just as easy. Drag and drop them from one stage to another. And if you hover over these icons on a contact's banner, you can quickly edit, mark as done, add notes, or jump straight into a call or message. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.